In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your shared chats in Claude AI. If you've ever copied a share link to show someone a conversation, this walkthrough will help you see exactly what you shared and take back access when you need to. First, open Claude and look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You will see your profile, which might appear as your initials or an avatar. Click that and choose Settings. This takes you to the control center for your account, where you can adjust preferences and manage your data. If you don't see the profile area right away, make sure your window is expanded. The button can be small on compact layouts. Inside Settings, find the Privacy tab. This is where Claude keeps tools that relate to how your content is stored and what you've shared externally. It's a good habit to check here from time to time, especially if you collaborate often or post examples publicly. Next, look for the Shared Chats section and click Manage. This opens the complete log of your shared snapshots. A snapshot is a fixed copy of a chat at the moment you shared it. It does not update automatically if you change the original conversation later. Think of it as a read-only version designed for safe sharing. The Manage view is your dashboard to review those links all in one place. In this list, you will see everything you've made public via a Claude Share link. You can quickly confirm what's out there when it was shared and keep your mental inventory tidy. This central log is especially helpful if you share work samples, tutorials, or research notes and want a simple way to audit what's been published. If you spot something you no longer want accessible, use the Unshare button next to that chat to immediately revoke access. As soon as you unshare, the link stops working, so anyone who tries to open it will no longer see the content. This doesn't delete your original chat inside Claude. It only turns off public access to that specific snapshot. Keep in mind that if a link was passed around, unsharing disables it for everyone at once. In some cases, a cached preview might linger briefly in a browser, but the live content will no longer be reachable. That's the full process. Thanks for watching.